Good day, students. Today I'm going to discuss about the output functions available in C++. So in C++, there are two kinds of output functions that we can use. Number one is cout statement and number two is put statement. As you can see on the screen, there is a table that is describing the function and its capabilities. So IOStream uses multiple input and output channels, that is your studio include IOStream that give you multiple input and output today, and we are going to discuss about only the output function. The first output statement is our C out statement, and as you all know, when you are using C++, you can use these the backslashes to write the comment. I'll just write the comment for program using output function available in C++. And hash include iostream, you know very well, is a header file that you have to use. You are using standard namespace, so you have to write this using namespace std. Std stand for standard. And number four is the indicator for the compiler that our main program is starting from here. The curly braces started the body of the program. Line number six is C out statement, that is the syntax. What is it? C out is a predefined object in C++. It is an object, it is a facility, it is a statement that allow you to display any kind of message on your screen. You can tell the user what you want to do and you want the student to read that message and give them the indication, or you can say it is used to display the output to the standard output device, that is the monitor. It is used uses insertions operators, that is the angle bracket, and it is used to display the message to guide the user that what the program will going to do. And if you want something from the user, you have to tell them what is the message and what you want to doing in the program. So C out statement syntax is you have to write C out, there will be the angle brackets, and in the double quotes you, this is the C out angle bracket, and in double quotation whatever the message you want you can write, and end with the semicolon. There is another function which is used in C++ for the output function, and that is called the put statement. What is the put statement? This function used to print the string. String is the sentence, whatever you write in double quotes, to the output stream. Output stream is your output, that is the screen. The new line is automatically inserted after printing the string. So int put constant character, this is the syntax, and here is the, for example, hash include iostream. That is all what you have done. I just write the both program in one program and put my first program double quotation in double quotation and ending with the semicolon. Here it is. I write. You just have to write the put name, start the parenthesis, that is the round brackets, and in double quotation whatever you want to write you will write in over here. And you know very well line number 10, that is just return 0, which is going to connected with the line number 4, that you are going to get some return program, you are going to display something, and the flower bracket that will close and tell the compiler that body of the program is ended. Let's run this program and see what is on the screen display. When we run this program, here it is, hello world, my first program. In this way, you can display any kind of message on the screen. But as you can see that whatever we want to display come in just one single line. But if you want to make it in the other line, just remember you can write with the escape sequences backslash n. You can use backslash n to make it display on the next line. You can see from here when you run it, and you can see abruptly that my first program is in the next line. There is one more feature through which you can do this, that is by using two angle brackets and L. When you write NL, that is end of the line. Now just run the program and you get the same thing from this. So hope so you understand how you can write the two output functions, that is C out statement and put statement. You can use these two statements to output anything on the screen. Hope you understand. Thank you.